Well, howdy, 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 everybody. Theresa here with
Brad.
Iced Tea Making Brad.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah. We just make our iced tea just with hot tap water. And, you know, we've been drinking more iced tea, though, because tell you what, it's cheaper than buying all the flavored drink mix and stuff. So, I mean, we still enjoy that. We still enjoy some soda. You know, we buy that when it's on sale. But, yeah, we drink some more iced tea. I do like half herbal tea and half just your standard normal English tea. So, yeah, I just do it with hot, water. So, works for us. But anyway, it is, I wanted to say November. Wow. It's April 22nd, 2019. It is Monday evening at 7:29 p.m. Now Brad's getting to see just how weird I have become. Right, honey?
No, I was there.
You know, you knew?
I do.
You didn't know that I sing to the dogs so much.
Yeah. Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Talking your little special voices.
Mm-hmm. It's 77 degrees. Feels like 77. The high today was 82. The low today was 53. It's sunny. No participation. Expected tonight. Humidity is 34%. Wind is 9 miles per hour from the southwest. Sunrise was at 7:03. We were still up, most likely. Sunset was at 8:09 p.m. Gee, we'll be up for that too. By the luck of the draw. Let's see. Tomorrow, it will be mostly sunny and pretty much the same. And what about Wednesday? Oh yeah, Wednesday. Let's see. It'll be cooler. So that'll be good. It'll be cooler Wednesday morning, honey, and cloudy.
Okay.
That'll be good.
Yep.
We be going fishing Wednesday morning, okay, people? We be going fishing tomorrow. Or Wednesday, I mean. Because we want to go fishing, and we haven't gone fishing in a long time, and now we can, so we're gonna. Happy late Easter to everybody. I assume that those of you that celebrated enjoyed it. We celebrated in our own way. We had a nice little Easter dinner. Our sleep pattern is so far off, we don't even want to talk about it. But Brad put the ham in the crock pot. And see, we don't like ours with any pineapple or brown sugar or anything like that. So he put the ham in, and then hi baby girl. Hi kitty kitty. What you doing, sweetie? Huh? Sorry. Hi baby, what you doing? Are you good? I know. It's the angel. It's the angel. Come here, baby girl. Oh my goodness. Yes, I know. Oh. How you doing, baby? Baby good, I know. But and scalloped potatoes, just a box of them. I made deviled eggs. I made just kind of a vegetable nibbler's tray. I mean, I had deviled eggs on it, and Brad really loves honey mustard in his deviled eggs, so I put some of that, and I always put garlic powder, onion powder, celery powder, and mayo and Worcestershire sauce. You can put anything you like. And then I couldn't find a paprika, so I didn't top them with that. But I've gotten where I like to top them with a little bit of French onions, and that really makes a nice crunch. And thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
And then I put on that tray too. I put some sliced cucumbers and some sugar snap peas. And some green olives. And then Brad made some homemade sweet rolls, which were just divine. I know that they turned out heavier than he wanted, and I mean, it all depends on the humidity and stuff, but they were very, very good. They were really nice taste to them. So, definitely a keeper recipe. And it was very nice. We didn't do any kind of dessert. We still had cookies left over, and I don't know if we have any muffins left or not.
I think there's a couple left.
And but it was a very nice day. We both went out and cleaned up and did dishes together when the meal was done, and just kind of relaxed. I messed with my loom. I'll show you later. I was going to show you now, but since we've got a visitor, we won't because we don't want to disturb her. Right, girlfriend? And just a very nice day.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, our sleep had been so far off, people, that okay, well, we might both fall asleep about between midnight and 2, but then we'll be back up for sure by 5 and be up till 8 or so and then lay down for a little bit longer. Or like this morning, we got up. I don't know what time Brad got up, but I got up about 10 or 11. He doesn't remember.
I'll remember.
And then we had a little bit of breakfast and went back to sleep. And then we got up and we went, ran a few errands, and then we came home, went back to sleep. After a while, we watched a couple episodes of Deadwood because we're both like really obsessed right now. Of course, now why wouldn't we be? We've been to Deadwood so a ton of time. We love the Black Hills area of South Dakota. You may be saying, well, then why didn't you move there? Because of the high elevation and the cold weather and what it does to our bodies. Much as we might love it, our bodies, like my lungs, don't like the cold and the high elevation. Brad's lungs don't like the high elevation. Our allergies don't. And then all of our muscles, all of our joint problems and stuff. So, but we thought about it for a long time. But we've been to Deadwood a ton of time. And of course, we very familiar with the history of the pioneers and stuff. So, we really identify. But we really love the series.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have HBO's gonna have a movie coming out.
Mm-hmm.
When's the movie coming out?
I was thinking toward the end of the month.
Let's see, we're excited.
I'll have to check and see.
Yeah, we're excited about that. And that's been it. Like I said, I'll show you the loom here in a little bit. I've been messing with that, really enjoying it. Really, really enjoying it. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. You're such a baby, huh? And it's just been nice. But one thing, we have a dilemma. But first, let me do. I sold a couple paintings, and those are being mailed tomorrow. Also, I'm mailing that KB Super F loom tomorrow. The winner paid for the shipping, and so I'll be mailing that. So excited to be doing that tomorrow, and I'll give them both the tracking numbers. And I thank you both. I don't like to have craft supplies sit around if they're not going to be used. That's just me. I mean, we all have some craft supplies sitting around that aren't being used. I mean, any craft. But, I mean, ones that you just know you're never going to use.
May 31st.
May 31st? That's a long effing time.
That's a long effing time.
You can tell I've been talking. Oh, let me tell you more about Deadwood. This is, well, let me finish what's crafting. So, I'd rather see stuff go to a good home. I will be clearing out a few more things that I see that are just sitting around, here in the month to come. Yesterday, Easter dinner was over, and we're just sitting around, and we decided that we're gonna say fucking and cunt and cocksucker every time they do. We finally gave up because certain characters say it so often, like Trixie, the horror and stuff, that it's every other word literally.
And Calamity Jane.
Calamity Jane, yeah, and Al Swearinger. Imagine us sitting here going, fucking, cocksucker, fucking, yeah. I know. Games we play.
Somebody's got to do it.
So we haven't really done too much today. And Brad can get away with it because his spirit animal is a sloth. He has decided this, not he came up with that. I don't have a spirit animal. I'm kind of upset.
Well,
And so it needs to be something that sometimes is quick, I would say, and nimble, but nimble pretty much out the window anymore. But, and then some days is very slow, very sleepy. So I don't know what that would be. It's almost like a semi-hibernation, and then, you know, a
how
quick.
about a yellow-eared slider?
No,
Not a turtle?
no.
Okay.
Because if I get stuck on my back, I can get up.
Okay.
I don't want to be a turtle.
Okay. Well, you don't have to be.
Because I'm not always full.
No.
Yeah. Not always full. Come on, what am I? I could be a puffer fish. I didn't mean that like a cut down.
I know.
Sometimes I get all huffy puffy.
Let me think about it.
He'll think about it. He'll let us know. He'll let me know what spirit animal he thinks I am. And he'll do it very well because he has to sleep. No, he doesn't. But anyway, like kitty cat, what's Miss Angel doing? Miss Angel, did you have a good day? Huh? Oh, you just don't even want to talk about, huh? Oh, I know. You're just a love bug, aren't you? You gonna say hi to everybody? You gonna say hi to everybody? No. Like, nope, I'm not, Mom. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, bury your head. Oh, now I have offended and you're leaving. She left me. I offended her. So tomorrow we got to do housework. Oh, boy. And then,
I'm excited.
yes, me too. I gotta get out my ball of yarn here, people. Oh, we're ball of yarn. I'm here, ball of yarn. What the heck have I done now? Not good. I think I just confuzzled it even more than I had it. Yeah, I did. Not sure how I did that, but I did. See, okay. Yeah, it'd be easy to probably try to show you guys this way. This is 28 inches. Like just one side 28 inches, honey, or what?
Would be my guess.
Yeah. Because, yeah, gotta be. So it's all the way around, and then you'll see that here I have the gap because, you know, I'm making an afghan. So, yeah. Nice. I really like it.
Good.
Really like it a lot.
Good.
Very happy with it. You can make different, there's holes all the way along for those of you that are not familiar with it. So you can slide this in and you can make it however long you want, or you can make it really skinny. You can take it all the way apart and just use one side. There's a bunch of different configurations. So, like I said, go use your 40% off coupon if you want to get one at Hobby Lobby online, or you could probably order it into your nearest Hobby Lobby if you wanted, or you take your chances going to the store. I just ordered mine online because it was like $9 shipping, and we would have spent more than that in gas going up to Tallahassee. So even though Tallahassee isn't that far, you know, with gas prices the way they are, and then that was back when Brad was working, or no, I think, had I ordered it? I think I had just ordered it right before, or maybe just right after, I don't know. I've been wanting one for over 3 years. And for me, in our budget, I like Cindy Wood, but I can't afford $100 little, you know. And I really liked it. This is a good price, and I like KB loom. So yeah, the knitting board loom. So Yeah. So it's your 20. I'll show you the package in case anybody's wanting to look at it and stuff. It is your, you can do your double knit, tricot double. You can do your single knit. You can do weaving if you wanted to. If you wanted to do a long weaving, you could. But it is your 28 inch. Up to 7 configuration. It's up to 45 inches wide. Has peg extenders. It's got the extension. It's got the bolts to make it these 3 different. I have it on this one. You can make it super skinny, a little bit wider, or like that. And yeah, you can't beat it for that. So yeah, I mean, if you use your coupon and you go up to a Hobby Lobby, if you live close to one, then it would just be like 37, roughly. So you can't beat it for that. So or you can just have them ship it for the $9. It's 8 something, and it takes a week or so to get there, depending, I guess, again where you live. So I'm very happy with it. It's easy for me to use. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. I really busted my butt. I'll go ahead and show you guys the 3 hats I finished just all in one day, because I had this loom come in and I wanted to be able to play with it, but I wanted to make sure I had enough of my hats done to be able to take a few days off. So I finished this one. It's a toddler size, and it is a scrap one. So that's what that's like, and that's a little, let me see, sorry about that, little smiley face button. And this is a extra large adult, and it's a strawberry, and this is the gray side there. So there's that one, and then here's a little newborn. That was cute. And I did, let me see, there we go. Like that. You see? Yeah, so I got all those done, so I could take a couple days off and play with this new loom. And what do you have to say, Brad?
I think you got it all
He's feeling
covered.
a little bit better with the hip, aren't you?
I am.
What about your back pain?
I mean, I
It's
noticed
still always there, but
since the cold, with the cold and damp the last few days,
yeah,
that it's there more so.
yeah.
So
I think Brad's decided, last I knew, he may have changed his mind again, that he was going to grow his hair out again. He grew his hair out. He's got beautiful hair. And, he grew his hair out a number of years ago, when he was still at Albertsons, actually, because a friend of his had passed away from cancer. And it really bothered his friend Tom that he had lost his hair and stuff. So Brad grew it out and donated it in his name. And
remember that time at Walmart, we were walking in and all I hear is this guy yelling at me about what an asshole I was.
oh yeah,
And it was Tom sitting
I
on
think
the
that was
bench.
about the last time you ever saw him, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. That was just a couple of weeks before he passed
Yeah, his
away.
girlfriend had gone in to get medicine for him, and Tom was sitting outside on the bench, and Brad stopped and talked with him for a bit. Stuff. I just went ahead and went into Walmart to give them some privacy and stuff, and so, but Brad, said, he's wanting to grow his hair out again. I said, well, you might as well, I mean, it's very common around here, anyway, for men to have their hair long and stuff. I said, as long as you don't do the man bun.
No.
Because I'm not cutting anybody down that likes it or anybody that does it. It's just not something I really, So he's going to be growing his hair out,
Ponytail, but no man bun.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you've done ponytails.
Yeah.
You've had me braid it before and stuff. So, whatever you want.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the big news there. That's probably just about all. Nothing really going on. We're just, trying to save up money to pay those taxes and stuff, and then, save up after that. We need to get our eyes checked. We haven't had them checked in a couple years, and especially with diabetes, you need to have your eyes checked and all that. We have doctor appointments coming up first part of May, and all that. Brad's putting in apps and, weighing his options carefully. And
some people think I need to have my head examined, but
why?
I don't know. Just speaking.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, that's what's going on here.
Mm-hmm.
But I just wanted to jump on here and say hi to y'all, and, I listen to a lot of you guys. If I may not always comment, because a lot of you guys I listen to while I'm cleaning house or whatever I'm doing, and I enjoy that. One thing I found also that I enjoy listening to some of the podcasts on Pandora. So if you guys have ever just type in podcast, all kinds of different genres, and it's really neat. Of course, I like the true crime and stuff, so that I just showed Brad recently. He didn't realize, and I didn't realize until probably about a month ago, honey, about the albums on Pandora. That if you go clear to your right side, if you're typing in an artist, it'll pull up. You'll see albums, and then you can pull up their whole album. You have to listen to a short little ad, 30-second ad before it starts. But that's a nice option too, because sometimes, like the other day, I wanted to listen to Bonnie Raitt, and so I had her Bonnie Raitt radio station, and I never got to listen to one of her songs. Brad said that the other day. I don't remember who the artist was that you had their radio station.
I tried a couple, REO Speedwagon.
And he said it was 15 songs before he got to listen to one REO Speedwagon.
And same with Little River Band.
Yeah. I tell you what, I feel very blessed these days because it sure is nice having my very best, basically lifelong best friend here at home with me and stuff. I mean, it's nice that we get
I agree.
To spend this time together, and even if he is rearranging the kitchen. But I knew that would happen, and some of it, we're doing on purpose. But I told him though the other day. I said, that cabinet looks like. I said, goddamn. I said that cabinet looks just like a goddamn store reset, shelf reset. Because he doesn't even think about it, and which is fine. It's just we come to a meeting of the minds that maybe we will make a list or something up what's on the top shelf, since said wife is shorter and can't see what is up there, right, hon?
Yep.
I can't see what's up there.
No.
Don't you have to sleep sometime?
No, I don't.
You do.
I think we've proven that.
You have to sleep sometime. I scared him the other day though. I got my face right up in that door. He was outside, I think, hanging clothes out. So right when he opened it, I went, bah! Oh, that scare you, Charlie?
Look at
Nixie, are you being cute?
Covering her eyes.
Nixie, are you covering your eyes? Charlie, what are you doing, huh? What? Hey, that's my loom there, man. What are you doing, Charlie? Like, Dad, did she scare you? Yeah, they're really enjoying him being home, too. So, but yeah, that's what we got going on. Just nice and peaceful, and,
Big stretch.
Dogs are getting all loved up by Brad.
No.
Ah, Nixie.
Hey, she can sniff her up, okay?
Like, I don't know. You sure?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, what are you doing, Noodle Poodle?
You keep trying to cut each other off.
I know, they are. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys go, but I hope you had a wonderful Easter, or if not, that you had a nice Sunday. And remember that I love you guys, and I do cherish your friendship very much. And I think you guys are awesome. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Brad.
Bye, Brad.
Bye, guys.